Hello guys, let's learn some vocabulary words for today. Our first word is acquiesce. A-C-Q-U-I-E-S-C-E. Acquiesce, meaning comply with assent, to passive accept. Sentences. Number 1. Her parent will never acquiesce in such as unstable marriage. Number 2. He is so independent that he will never acquiesce. Number 3. The administration decided to acquiesce and let the students to play.
Our next word is paucity. Paucity. P-A-U-C-I-T-Y. Paucity. Meaning scarcity, smallness of number. Sentences. Number 1. Paucity of evidence makes the first difficult. Number 2. Because of the paucity of our oil supply, we need to seek out the other few resources. And number 3. I did not have enough water to drink because Sally left only a paucity of water in the bottle. Our next word is surreptitious. S-U-R-R-E-P-T-I-T-I-O-U-S. Surreptitious, meaning stealthy. Sentences. Number 1. She completed the assignment in a surreptitious, secret manner. Number 2. There was a lot of surreptitious advertising for the hidden cave. Number 3. Surreptitiously printed, which he accomplished.
So now let's move to a recap. Acquiesce, paucity, surreptitious. Acquiesce, paucity, surreptitious.